Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to explain to you why the water is dripping from your AC vent and how you can stop it before it damages your ceiling or walls. So first of all, you need to understand this thing that the vent usually isn't the source of the leak. In most of the cases, the water is coming from the duct work or the indoor air handler and simply dripping through the ceiling vent. So in order to fix it, the very first thing that you need to start checking is when the leak occurs. If it only happens on very hot, humid days, the problem may be condensation forming on the uninsulated or poorly insulated air ducts. The warm, humid air meeting a cold metal duct creates the water droplets that eventually drip through the vent. Now, if the leak continues every time the AC runs, you can just simply inspect the condensate drain system. Now, a partially closed drain line or a full drain pan can cause the water to basically back up inside the hair handler and eventually finding its way into the ductwork and leaking through the nearest vent. Now you can also simply remove the vent cover and then you can just simply look inside with a flashlight. If you see the water droplets on the duct walls instead of the steady stream of water, you are likely dealing with a duct condensation problem and not a plumbing leak. So here are some of the things that are going to basically help you fix this issue. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.